Hey guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we are doing a special on a chicken coop that my brother-in-law built. So I'm walking over to his house, and he built this coop from scratch. He designed it, he built it, he tore down some sections, rebuilt it again, and tore it down and rebuilt it again until it was perfect for him. So I'm going to show you his coop. I'm going to show you the run and how he designed it. I thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to put it out on YouTube so you can see. And I just want to say that if you're not as creative as he is, or if you're just not a creative person and you kind of just want a design made for you, you can go to easycoops.com. They have a plethora of designs, chicken coop designs. Some are free, some you have to pay for, but I would recommend that you check it out. And if you're not as creative as he was, but here it is. So just do a walk around, show you. This is took him a few weeks, months to do this. He did this door here, so it's a clean out door. So whenever he needs to clean it out, he can just put the wheelbarrow right there and scoop out all the poop. Very sweep it out. Very easy process. You put a window right there. You know, about to give him an opportunity to explain what he did, but I just wanted to give you a quick walk around. Check it out. How cool is this, huh? And it's sturdy. Okay, this is my brother-in-law.
Hello.
And he is the master behind this chicken coop. All right, so tell us, what size is it, what materials did you use, etc.
I originally wanted a coop big enough for 10 chickens, but you know how that goes. You buy 10, you buy 20. So I made it big enough for 25, planning on getting 10. We have 20 chickens that are in the garage. They're not ready for the coop yet, but it will be soon.
All right.
So I got 6 or 8. I got 8 4x. This thing's way over engineered. I got 9 4x4s cemented in. I put the platform. I made the base 8x12. 3 full sheets of 3/4 inch pressure treated plywood.
How many nest boxes do you have?
I got 6 nesting boxes. This flap's open. I got the green stuff in here. That's what I
yeah. I'll put that down on the description box. You bought that on Amazon?
The boxes are like 12 by 13.
Yep.
And I had no plans for this. I just started hammering wood together. I didn't follow no plan. I just followed what I felt like building. I knew I wanted. I built it off the ground because first of all, I don't have level ground.
Right.
So I built it so the chickens could have more space to go inside the shade to get out of the sun. I added a little roof so they could have more shade and like little space out of the rain if they wanted to be outside and out of the rain.
Yep.
And because my land goes on an angle, I kind of had to stagger the height. But I knew at my final height, at the shortest height, I still wanted to be able to walk around. So it's probably about 6.5, maybe 7 feet tall on this side. And then it just gradually goes up from there.
Okay.
I cemented all these 4x4 posts. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4x4 posts. Tied it off, just regular 2x10 joists. And I kind of made it at an angle so I'm going to eventually put a gutter system so I can drain the rainwater. I definitely, when I built it inside, same thing as outside, I wanted to make sure I could at least stand up in here without hitting my head.
This is a bougie chicken coop. Look at that flooring. What is that?
So in my experience, I used to take care of my dad's chickens, and when he had it, from them pooping, peeing, water spilling and stuff, walking in with wet feet, the wood will start rotting after a while, so I figured I would lay down some linoleum flooring, vinyl flooring, wherever you're from, and put it up to the wall, so if they're up on the roost and they poop or stuff splashes from the side, it'd be easy to clean. There's the boxes from the inside. I installed 2 windows. I got a couple of gable vents up top, try to give it max flow with the summer heat, try to keep them cool.
Yep.
When this was my wife's idea, she wanted me to have an easy clean system. So I got the roost here. I built the roost on hinges so it can come out of so it can get out of the way. That hooks up. So this is when they're on the roost, they're gonna poop on this stuff. So I built this so it's easy clean. It's just a piece of like some kind of plastic. This folds up out of the way, and this stuff, this will lock into place. So when I want to clean everything,
Yep.
it's a nice open space. I can sweep. I built a trap door in the back that just
Yep.
yeah, we'll take a walk outside and I'll show you.
Yep.
Show you my reasoning behind that. When I put the linoleum in, it's all one piece. There's no creases, so no water seeps in between the cracks as much as possible. And I put it out over here so the water would run down.
Yep.
And wouldn't go into the floor. And this I built out of I had some scrap wood, so I built the little run up here with scrap wood. I built the stairs myself. I pretty much this took me a while to build because I did it little by little. So I used all hardware cloth. It's like a plastic coated hardware cloth.
How many rolls did you use?
I used 2 100-foot rolls by 4 feet.
Okay.
And I just made it. So this is the back. I will, when it comes time to clean, I will, this was that little trap door. I'll drive the 4-wheeler up. I'll drive the 4-wheeler with my little cart in the back, and I'll sweep everything into the 4-wheeler.
Yep.
Instead of most people, they dump it into 5-gallon buckets
Mm-hmm.
and they just carry it out. I want it to be as simple and easy as possible. So I'll drive my 4-wheeler up with the little cart, sweep it in, drive off and dump it wherever I need to.
So I see that you use this mesh on the floor. Why did you do that?
This, I put it here so just in case any animals try to dig. That was my brother-in-law's idea. About a foot out. So in case anything tries to dig under, they ain't gonna figure out, well, let me dig a foot back and maybe I can get under. But
Right. So any fox, coyote, nothing can get through. Trying to get the chickens.
so, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Awesome. Oh,
I built an extension off the roof to try to keep as much rain off of this as I could.
right. Are you happy with the way it came out?
Yeah, you're never happy. You could have always done something better, but yeah, for the most part, it's a chicken coop, or it's a man cave. If I get kicked out of the house.
With nesting boxes.
If my wife decides that she don't want me in the house, I can always rip out the linoleum, put carpeting, run some electricity, play PlayStation.
Yep.
So inside the coop, I didn't use no pressure treated.
Okay.
Because they say don't use pressure treated because the chickens peck at it, the chemicals, it's not really good. I use pressure treated outside where it was touching the ground and where the rain would go,
Yep.
but not on the inside.
Cool.
It's all standard wood.
Awesome. So here it is, guys. Coop built by my brother-in-law, who is not a professional, but this looks pretty professional, if you ask me. So if he can do it, you can do it.
It's
I encourage you.
I ever built.
Encourage you that if you have a little bit of skill and a lot of desire to explore and do something new, to go ahead and do this. If you're not creative, like I said in the beginning, you can go to easycoops.com. They have a lot of different designs, and the link will be on the description box. All right. So thanks for watching. All right. I'll see you later.